How to unlock borrow on Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there are three different ways in order to increase your chances of getting the option of borrow. The first one is that you have to get the Cash App card. For that, just simply select the option of Cash Card at the bottom, and here you would be able to get it. And after that, it is completely free, so you can just simply get this for free. And the second way is that you have to deposit at least $200 in your account within a month. So the more this amount is, the better your chances at getting the borrow option. And the third option is that you maintain the positive balance in your Cash App rather than the negative one. So this gives a positive image of your account, and this way the Cash App will provide you borrow option in your Cash App, and you would be able to borrow, and this way you would be able to borrow the money from Cash App. And these are some ways that you can utilize in order to increase your chances of getting the borrow option, since it is not guaranteed and it all depends on your financial history on Cash App. So good luck with that, and I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.